I'm Dr. Tiff.
And I'm Dr. Maiyanne.
We're from Pets On Tapp.
And we're here with Buddy Bites. Today we're going to be talking to you about xylitol poisonings. Now, Dr. Tiff, I always thought xylitol was in chewing gum.
Xylitol is actually becoming quite common in human foods. There's definitely a movement in people to move away from sugars. Because of this, we find that xylitol is being found in nut butters, peanut butter, candies and gummies, and obviously these are quite common things that people might actually feed their pets.
So what are the side effects of a dog ingesting some xylitol?
Yeah, xylitol results in a big release of insulin, which is our hormone that controls sugar levels in the body. With this huge surge in insulin, we find that the blood glucose drops quite rapidly. Within 30 minutes, we can start to experience symptoms.
Wow. Okay, so what sort of symptoms do you see in a dog?
So basically they're related to the low blood sugar. The patient might be incoordinated, so maybe a drunk gait, they might be very weak, they might actually even start seizuring and even collapse.
So Dr. Tiffany, what should you do if you suspect that your dog's had some xylitol?
So the most important thing is to take your pet to the vet. If it's just ingested it and still not symptomatic, it's a good idea to make your dog vomit to prevent further absorption. However, most of the pets come with symptoms, and in this case, the best thing that can be done for the pet is to admit them to hospital, give them fluid therapy with glucose supplemented. Unfortunately, xylitol has quite a long duration of effect, and we might find the animal experiencing symptoms for up to 24 hours.
Okay, let's hear from Tiff's top tips about xylitol toxicities.
So I think the most important one is that as a pet owner, we should be aware of what actually contains xylitol. Check the label before giving any human foods to your pet. Number 2, those candies, gummies, chewies, chewing gum should be really locked away from your animal. And number 3, be aware that this can have quite an acute onset. It happens quite rapidly, and it's important to get your pet to the vet as soon as possible.
Is there anything you can take to the vets with you to help?
Yeah, I think understanding what the animal's been exposed to is really important, especially if it's a gummy-based sweet. We might find that these animals will have a delayed onset, and we can actually intervene much sooner.